análaigh a ghrá. Breathe soft, my love, soft and low. Sleep, my love. Codail anois ghrá. In cold white snow. What do you hear? What do you see? On clouds acquires a dying sun. The sky is torn, thy will be done. Promise is made, now undone, with plagues and lies and risen suns. Análaigh a ghrá. Breathe soft, my love, soft and low. Sleep, my love. Codail anois ghrá. In cold white snow. What do you hear? What do you see? A silver voice from distant shores rings out with songs of love and loss, and smiles from veils that soothes my heart, my soul, my fears. Análaigh a ghrá. Breathe soft, my love, soft and low. Sleep, my love. Codail anois ghrá. In cold white snow. What do you hear? What do you see? I rise and fall, fall and fall forever. No farewells, no goodbyes, no broken calls or whimpered cries. A silver star way up on high shines hope across a fading sky of love and loss, of things unseen and souls that sleep in pastures green. Now I am free. I wait for you as long as you need. Now I am free. Análaigh a ghrá. Breathe soft, my love, soft and low. Sleep, my love. Codail anois ghrá. In cold white snow. What do you hear? What do you